Hi, my name is Samira Lindsay, and we are on the Los Angeles campus filming our reels.
Reels are like our portfolio, which people see. It's like a short 2-minute video. These can be used for when we graduate, and we can post them for the public to see. We can submit them to agents for them to see.
It's about each student who created their own 2-page scene, and we filmed that, whether it be outside or on campus or in our bungalows. Really any set that AMDA has provided to each student. We get to film there and bring our scenes that we created to life.
You are the actor. That's all you have to worry about. There are people who are on the sound, people who grip and gaff, and obviously the camera department. So you have a whole team who's genuinely here to help you, make you look good, make sure you sound good, and make sure everything goes right.
Initially, what convinced me to come here at AMDA was I found out that AMDA had a lot of instructors who were working actors, and I was really interested in working with instructors who are in the industry right now. The advice they give you, it's not from the past, it's like what's happening right now in the industry, and that really helps.
Our classrooms are so small. Connections are very personal, and the teachers really put in effort to make you better.
These reels are useful to us as actors only because, it gives us more things to work with. It also shows our range of the acting that we're doing, comedy, drama, anything like that. So it's really helpful to show what we are capable of doing now.
Hold on to your ambition and your goals, because there is the light at the end of the tunnel.